Hey, aloha, this is Harry from Kailua. Today I got a request to teach a song called Hule, a song about the Kalapana, the black sand beach on the Big Island. Okay, here's a close-up. O Kalapana, kaileo nui, uolono, kauka ole. He uwa la Kalapana, kulivale, kulivale I kaleo, he leo no ke kai o Kalapana, kai leo nui, uono kauka ole. He uwa la Kalapana, kulivale, kulivale I kaleo, he leo no ke kai he leo no ke kai. Okay, to learn this song, Hole, beautiful song about black sand beach on the Big Island, we're going to need 6 chords. We're going to need a C, a G7, a F, a C6, or you can call it A-7, I'll call it C6 today. This is a G6 and a C7. Okay, here's the melody. O Kalapana, kai leo nui, uolono kauka ole. He uwa la Kalapana, kulivale, kulivale I kaleo, he leo no ke kai. Okay, so you can sing along the melody. I'll play the chords now. It's in 4/4 time. So 1, 2, 3. O Kalapana, kai leo nui, uolono kauka ole. He uwa la Kalapana, kulivale, kulivale I kaleo, he leo no ke kai. Then you repeat the whole song. You can play the melody along with it if you like. O Kalapana, kai leo nui, uolono He uva la kalapana e kulivale i kaleo he leo no ke kai e. If you want to end it, stay on the C chord. He leo no ke kai e. Stay there and repeat again. He leo no ke kai e. Okay, hope you enjoyed learning that song, Hole, the song about Black Sand Beach on the Big Island. Check back, subscribe, and take care. Aloha.